Welcome to our deep dive into the exciting Galaxy S25 Ultra. Today, we'll look at its amazing features, especially its smart AI, powerful processor, and memory upgrades. Let's jump in. The Galaxy S25 Ultra comes with the new Gemini Nano AI model, an upgrade from the previous S24 series. This AI can handle more complicated tasks better than before. A key feature is that it processes information directly on the device, making everything faster and more reliable because it doesn't need to connect to the internet. Powering this AI is the Dimensity 9400 chipset, specially designed to work well with the Gemini Nano. This makes sure that all AI functions run smoothly, giving users a great experience. At the core of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. This chip is built on a tiny 3nm process, making it much faster than its older version. In tests, it has outperformed the iPhone 16 Pro Max, becoming the fastest smartphone chip available with a clock speed of 4.47 GHz. The phone also has 16 GB of RAM, which is double what the S24 Ultra had. This extra memory is essential for the advanced AI features to work well. It might also use the latest LPDDR6 DRAM, improving performance even more. Design-wise, the Galaxy S25 Ultra has rounded corners instead of sharp edges, making it look nicer and easier to hold. The camera lenses are now closer together, giving it a clearer look and reducing any issues with camera performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra brings a notable improvement in design compared to its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. With a reduction of 4mm in thickness and a weight decrease of 14 grams, the S25 Ultra is not only slimmer, but also significantly lighter. This change enhances the device's portability, making it easier to carry around and handle for extended periods. Users often prefer lighter devices, especially when they need to fit them into pockets or bags without feeling weighed down. The thinner design also contributes to a more comfortable grip. Many smartphone users struggle with bulkier devices, especially during prolonged use, such as browsing the internet or watching videos. By reducing the thickness, Samsung has improved the ergonomics of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, ensuring that it fits more naturally in the hand. Additionally, the lighter weight makes it more appealing for users who are frequently on the go. Whether commuting, traveling, or simply moving around the house, having a device that is easy to handle can significantly enhance the user experience. The S25 Ultra's design changes suggest that Samsung is focused on meeting the needs of modern consumers who value both functionality and comfort in their devices. Moreover, the S25 Ultra may feature an anti-reflective coating on its display. This coating plays a crucial role in improving visibility, particularly in bright outdoor settings. Many smartphones struggle with glare when used under direct sunlight, making screens hard to read. By reducing reflections, the anti-reflective coating allows users to view their screens more clearly, enhancing usability in various environments. This is especially beneficial for activities like taking photos, checking notifications, or using navigation apps while outdoors. The combination of being thinner, lighter, and potentially having an anti-reflective display makes the Galaxy S25 Ultra a strong contender for those who lead active lifestyles. These design improvements demonstrate Samsung's commitment to delivering a premium user experience, ensuring that users can enjoy their devices without the drawbacks of bulkiness or glare. Overall, the S25 Ultra's design evolution not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also its practicality in everyday use. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will launch with One UI 7, Samsung's latest software. This version is cleaner and easier to use, making it more enjoyable to navigate. One exciting feature returning is the GIF Creator, allowing users to make personalized digital GIFs.